Chase, you want to try sour candy? Oh, good boy. What was that? Was that sour?
You don't want to try?
Not much.
Oh, good candy.
Chase, try?
Not much.
You try.
Was that good?
Not much.
Want to try again?
Want Dada to try?
No. Where is it, Chase?
Try again.
That's sour, eh? How sour is that?
That's sour.
Chase, where's your candy? You want to try some more? Want to try? Whoa!
Send it back. Return.
Is it no good? Something wrong with it?
Not much.
Yeah? You want to try?
Not much.
No, Mommy doesn't want to try. I'm good, Hetty.
Holy, that's... You're super cute. Oh my god. Wow, that is sour. Here, Chase. One more try?
Mama,
Chase, turn.
Chase, you did good. How'd you like your first sour treat? Yeah?
I'm ready.
Holy cow. Here, one more try, Chase.
Try it one more time. Try. Chase, try.
Right here.
Mama.
Wow.
How about Chase?
Okay. Good job, buddy. Nice
Return
try.
to the store.
High five. He's like, here, you can have it. Want to try?
No way, Daddy.
You try.
No. Extreme sour.
Extreme sour, Chase. You liked it? You did good, big man. You did good. What's your shirt say? What's your shirt say?
Let's talk more raw.
Less talk, more rock.
Mommy doesn't want to try anymore. Does Chase?
Chase, want another try? One more try? That's your sour candy. Give it a try. Give it a lick.
Lick it.
He's putting it away. That's enough of that, Mommy. Good job, buddy. Say bye-bye.
Mommy put it away for later.
Chase.
You gonna lick it one more time?
Put in the garbage. He's awesome.